Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a topic on nutrition in animals. All animals are heterotrophs. They depend on plants and animals. Herbivorous such as elephants, zebra, cow, buffaloes feeds on plants, whereas carnivorous animals they depend on flesh, where such as lion, vultures, tiger, and crocodile. And when it comes to the omnivorous, where eating both plants and animals are peacock, bear, and also humans. And here, when it comes to the nutrition, we are going to talk about holozoic nutrition. What does this mean? The taking of food into the body through the mouth, which is called as holozoic nutrition. So, this holozoic nutrition involves in 5 stages, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. And here, I've shown you a picture of Hydra, where Hydra is a multicellular organisms and it has a number of finger-like projections which is called as tentacles around its mouth. So the mouth is present in between here. So what happens? The tentacles helps the prey to push inside its mouth. So whenever any prey or any insects or anything which is above the tentacles or it's the senses of it, it can come to know that it holds the prey and it injects into its body, into the mouth, and slowly it injects into the body. This is how tentacles will act. And moreover, not only tentacles, moreover, not only in Hydra, paramecium is a unicellular where it has a hairy structures called cilia, where you can see the paramecium. So it has a hairy substances called cilia. So with this help of the this also a microorganism which is of unicellular, which consists of only of a single cell. So this hairy cilia moves constantly and also helps to push the food into its oral grooves inside its body. And you can see some other examples like mosquito, which only have the liquid food, so it can sucks the blood. It don't have a teeth. Where it comes to the frog or a lizard, it have a very sticky tongue, so that with that help of a tongue, it can catch hold of the prey. When it comes to the flamingo whale, which has a filter feeders, where it is special features present inside the beaks, mouths, or gills, help them to strain food from the water by swallow. This is the process of ingestion. The next stage is the digestion, children, where the food taking in by animals is a normal complex one, where the cells in animals body cannot absorb food in this form. So what will happen? They have to break down the complex of food into simple soluble substances with help of this digestive juices produced in the body. So the process of converting the food what we eat into a simple soluble form is known as digestion. So after eating the food from the mouth, it travels into the food pipe, that is nothing but esophagus we can also call, and from there it travels into the stores in the stomach. And in the stomach we consist of HCl, which kills the microbes which is present in the food what we eat, and it kills all the microbes. And then the food travels into the small intestine, where it's going to mix up with all the juices, and then it's going to take the digestion part. And this digestion part, based upon the type of food we eat, it takes hardly 1 to 4 hours. So the next one is the absorption. We are dealing with the absorption, where absorption is a process by which the digested food is passed into the blood so that it can be transported to different parts of the body by circulatory system. So absorption. After this absorption, so the food, the collection of nutrients mixed, the food which is mixed with the juices and all, and the nutrients which is going to supply to all the organs in the body. This is about absorption. When it comes to the assimilation, assimilation is a process through which the absorbed food is utilized for energy, growth, and development. Not only the supply, how the supply is taking place. Is it supplying in the process of energy, growth, and development? So there should not be any lack of nutrients where here it's involved. And assimilation. After this assimilation, I want to explain you about the large intestine. So maximum roughage, it is a substance where semi-digested food. So this semi-digested food is after all whatever the food digested in our body, the semi digested food, the small intestine, from the small intestine to the large intestine it will travel, and from there it's going to store in rectum. And this solid waste, this is a solid waste with what we call it as feces, where it is removed with the help of anus. So this process is known as egestion. So you can describe it as the process by which undigested food material in the form of feces is removed from the body. So different animals have different body structures, and the process of nutrition will also be different in them. So this is about the 5 stages of nutrition in animals. Thank you.